Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to get your emails in Mailchimp looking just right, especially when it comes to spacing and making everything visually appealing, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust line spacing in your Mailchimp templates and emails, and by the end, you'll know how to create clean, professional-looking layouts that make your message shine. Let's get started by heading over to Mailchimp. If you're already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and sign in now. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab on the left. Click on Campaigns, and here you'll see all your active, scheduled, or even previously sent email campaigns. Now just select the email you want to edit. Don't worry if you have a lot of campaigns. You can use the search bar at the top to find things by name or date to make it easier. Next, you're going to want to edit your email design. Find the email in your list, hover over it, and click the Edit button. Then select Edit Design. This opens up Mailchimp's drag-and-drop email builder where you can tweak every little detail. You should now see a sample image or the images you've already inserted. This is where the fun starts. Let's talk about images for a second. Sometimes images can be way too large and take up the whole block, making your email look crowded and overwhelming. To fix this, just click on the image and you'll see options to adjust its size. You might want to try making it smaller so there's more breathing room for your text. Just like arranging furniture in a room, the right amount of space can make a huge difference in how welcoming your email feels. Now, let's address spacing in your actual text areas. You'll likely have header, body, and footer sections. Click into one of these sections. Let's start with the header. Over on the Settings panel, you'll notice a padding option. Padding is basically like adding invisible cushions around your content to give it space from the borders of the container. If your text looks squished or too close to the edge, simply increase the padding and watch your content get a little more air. Padding works for the body and footer too, so don't be shy about experimenting. Sometimes, even a small adjustment can make your email so much easier to read. Once you're happy with how the sections are spaced, click Done. But there's one more trick I want to show you. Inside the Content Blocks area, Mailchimp offers a spacer block. You'll find it in the list of blocks, and all you have to do is drag it exactly where you need a bit more space, maybe between two paragraphs, images, or different sections. After you've dropped it in, look to the left and you'll see a slider or input box where you can adjust the height of the spacer. Slide it up or down until the spacing looks just right for your design. This is a super easy way to give your email a more polished, designer look, like putting in just the right pause or breath in a conversation. And honestly, that's pretty much all there is to it. Adjusting line spacing in Mailchimp is quick, easy, and goes a long way towards making your emails look more professional and inviting. If something doesn't look quite right at first, don't stress, just fine-tune the padding or move your spacers until you're happy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions about Mailchimp or email design in general, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. And make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.